If Windows 11's media player has left you in silence, here's how to get it back. Now, before troubleshooting the application, you should ensure that the file you are using is in a format that media player supports. And you can verify the format of the file by checking its properties in Windows. Then check the supported Windows Media File Player types on Microsoft Support website. Next up, enable Video Library access for the application by opening Settings, navigate to Privacy and Security tab, go to Videos, enable the toggles next to Video Library access, and let apps access your video library. Then turn on the toggle next to the Media Player application. Lastly, you can try to refresh your libraries. To do it, open Media Player application, click Settings. Under Libraries, click the Refresh option, switch to the Library tab, and then check if your media files appears now. And those are the following fixes if your Windows Media Player application stops working on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.